Hi, I'm here today to talk about the web-based technology that I'll be using in my lesson. So this is a tool that many people are probably very familiar with. It's YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing tool. Users can upload, view, share, and like videos that other people have already shared on the site. In this lesson, YouTube will be used for somebody to view and also upload demonstrations of the proper donning and doffing of PPE. Videos can be made and uploaded right from a mobile device using the YouTube app and uploaded and shared in an email or a link with others, mainly their instructor. So benefits of using this tool, especially in an educational setting. One of the main benefits is that it's easy to use YouTube. It's easy to upload videos and even to share them with others. One of the drawbacks to using this tool in an educational setting might be, especially if you have younger students, they may be sharing inappropriate things with the YouTube. So you'd want to keep an eye on your age group of the learner for that reason. It also might be a drawback. Somebody might not have a smartphone or a computer to be able to upload YouTube or upload videos to YouTube. As far as educational uses go, YouTube is useful for people to learn how to do just about anything. It's useful to be able to share videos very easily with others. In the lesson for this class, learners are going to be using YouTube to take and upload a video and then send it to their certifying instructor. The instructor is going to view their work and they're going to see whether or not they can certify the learner on donning and doffing of PPE. As far as what I'm thinking for a tool in my instructional lesson, again, the donning and doffing of PPE, it's a very hands-on activity. So learning by doing is the learner-centered approach for this lesson. Learners are going to be practicing their skill with a partner, and when they feel ready, after practicing, they will upload their video, and they'll do that for one another and then send that to the certifying instructor. Potential integration of this tool in my instruction. So the tool would be used by a learner not only to watch what good looks like or what the correct procedures or processes for donning and doffing PPE, but they're also going to use that to upload their video of themselves demonstrating that correct technique so that they can be certified. So in conclusion, YouTube's really helpful tool to use to learn many complex things. It's also helpful to easily make and share videos with others. So in this lesson, that is one of the things that'll be very necessary. So thanks for watching today. We'll finish up by listening in again on this lesson.